13 mistakes that are silently destroying your automatic car. Automatic cars are one of the greatest conveniences in modern driving. Easy to use, smooth to handle, and ideal for both city traffic and long journeys. But here's the shocking truth. Most drivers are unintentionally damaging their automatic vehicles every single day. From common driving habits to simple maintenance mistakes, these errors could be setting you up for a transmission failure, engine breakdown, or repair bills that can run over $6,000. In this video, we're breaking down the 13 worst mistakes that slowly and silently destroy automatic cars. And the best part? Every single one is easy to avoid, once you know what to look for. Before we jump in, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We drop weekly videos that can save you thousands in car repairs and keep your vehicle running like new. Tap the bell icon so you're never caught off guard by unexpected breakdowns. Let's get into the first mistake, and trust us, almost everyone does this one. Number 1. Shifting from reverse to drive without stopping. You're backing out of a parking space and quickly shift from reverse to drive without coming to a complete stop. It feels harmless, right? But this quick move puts immense pressure on your transmission. You're forcing the gears to change direction while still in motion, which damages the clutches and internal components over time. Tip: always stop fully before changing gears. That simple pause can add years to your transmission's lifespan. Number 2. Not using the parking brake. Even with automatic cars, using the parking brake is essential. Many people assume that parking gear alone is enough. But when you don't use the parking brake, the entire weight of your vehicle rests on the parking pawl, a small metal pin inside your transmission. Over time, especially on hills, this can cause internal stress and lead to premature failure. Solution: make it a habit to engage the parking brake every time you park. It's a simple action that protects vital components. Number 3. Driving in D on hills or descents. Leaving your car in drive while going downhill forces your transmission and brake system to do all the work. You're not using engine braking, which causes the transmission to heat up and puts extra wear on your brakes. Pro tip: switch to L, low, or 2 when descending steep roads. This helps maintain control, saves your transmission, and reduces brake wear. Number 4. Ignoring transmission fluid quality. Most people check their oil, but how often do you check your transmission fluid? Old or degraded fluid loses its ability to lubricate, causing overheating and friction between internal components. Bad transmission fluid is often dark brown or smells burnt. If left unchanged, it can destroy your gearbox. Recommendation: check your fluid every 8,000 to 10,000 kilometers and change it every 48,000 to 96,000 kilometers depending on your car. Keeping it fresh is critical to performance. Number 5. Warming up the engine. Incorrectly, letting your car idle in park for 10 minutes before driving might seem like a good idea, especially in winter. But modern engines are designed to warm up faster while in motion. Excessive idling wastes fuel, increases emissions, and adds unnecessary engine wear. Correct method: start your car, wait 30 seconds, then drive gently until it reaches optimal temperature. This warms both the engine and transmission efficiently. Number 6. Shifting to neutral at stoplights. Many drivers shift to neutral at stoplights to give the car a break or save fuel. But this move can actually interrupt fluid flow in the transmission and create added stress when shifting back into drive. Modern automatic transmissions are built to idle efficiently in drive. Constant shifting wears components faster and provides no real fuel benefit. Advice: stay in drive at red lights. It's better for your transmission and causes less wear in the long run. Number 7. Accelerating aggressively from a stop. Flooring the gas from a complete stop is one of the fastest ways to shorten your transmission's life. This sends a shockwave of torque through the system, overloading the torque converter and internal clutch packs. Repeated hard launches lead to slipping gears, overheating, and early transmission failure. Better habit: accelerate smoothly, especially in city driving. You'll improve fuel efficiency and protect your transmission. Number 8. Towing without a transmission cooler. Towing a trailer or heavy load. Your automatic transmission is already working hard, and without an auxiliary cooler, temperatures can skyrocket in minutes, causing fluid breakdown and internal damage. Tip: if you tow regularly, invest in a transmission cooler. It's a low-cost upgrade that protects your car during high-stress situations. Number 9. Driving with low fuel. Running your car on near-empty fuel doesn't just risk a breakdown, it can also damage your fuel pump and indirectly impact your transmission. The fuel acts as a coolant for the pump, and when levels are low, the system draws in air, leading to overheating and stress on related components. Rule of thumb: always keep at least a quarter tank of fuel in your car. It's safer for the entire drivetrain. Number 10. Skipping transmission. Fluid changes. Unlike engine oil, transmission fluid is often neglected, especially since some manufacturers label it lifetime fluid. But there's no such thing as fluid that lasts forever. Debris and heat degrade it over time, reducing efficiency and increasing wear. Your move. Even if your vehicle doesn't have a transmission dipstick, ask your mechanic to check fluid levels during routine service. A flush or change every few years could save you thousands. Number 11. Driving with mismatched tire sizes. Using tires with different diameters or wear patterns, especially on AWD or four-wheel drive vehicles, can cause uneven power distribution. The result? Extra strain on your differential, transmission, and other drivetrain components. Fix. Replace all tires as a matched set and always follow the manufacturer's recommended tire size and pressure. It's more than just a traction issue, it's a mechanical one. Number 12. Ignoring early warning signs. Is your car hesitating when shifting gears, making strange noises during acceleration? These are red flags that your transmission may be in trouble. Don't wait until the car breaks down. Many issues start small: a faulty sensor, low fluid, or a dirty filter. Addressing them early could turn a $300 repair into avoiding a full-blown $6,000 transmission rebuild. Check engine lights are not suggestions. Use an OBD2 scanner or visit a qualified mechanic when something feels off. Number 13. Letting the car overheat. Here's the big one. Heat is the #1 enemy of automatic transmissions. Whether from traffic jams, low coolant, or a bad radiator, overheating your engine also means you're overheating the transmission. Overheating causes the fluid to lose its viscosity, reduces lubrication, and leads to internal failure. Pro tip: monitor your temperature gauge regularly. Replace coolant as needed and avoid prolonged idling in hot weather, especially with the AC on. If your temperature spikes, pull over immediately. It could save your car. There you have it. 13 silent car killers that most automatic drivers don't even think about. But now that you know the truth, you can take action. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can extend your transmission's life, keep your engine running stronger, and avoid sky-high repair bills. Let us know in the comments, which of these mistakes have you made before? Don't worry, we've all been there. What matters is what you do from now on. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who drives an automatic car. You might just save them a costly trip to the repair shop. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car-saving advice, vehicle maintenance tips, and buyer guides every single week. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and protect your car like a pro.